A viral test may tell you if you are infected now with the virus that causes COVID-19. You may be tested with a swab that is placed inside your nose or throat. The swab is then tested to see if the virus is present. If you test positive for the virus, most likely you are infected now and could infect others. Stay home and take steps to prevent spreading it to others. If you test negative for the virus, you probably don't have the virus right now, but you should keep taking steps to protect yourself and others from getting infected. If you have symptoms, keep monitoring them and stay home. If they continue, call your doctor about getting tested again. Viral test for COVID-19. A viral test only tells you if you are infected right now. If you test negative, you can still get infected. If you test negative and you start to feel sick, you may need to get tested again. A viral test cannot tell you if you were infected before. You will need an antibody test to show that. So whether you test positive or negative for the virus that causes COVID-19, always take steps to protect yourself and others.